I tell you what, it's all fun on the bayou, Chef. Hey, this Chef Bourque. Let me tell you what. As you know by now, I love my wings. Put my wings to work. And I got my special barbecue sauce. Cajun Bayou Man barbecue sauce. Hey. Ha ha, what you say, huh? It used to be a brewski in here, but I took care of that. Hey, look. I want to tell y'all a little bit about my Facebook page. You can find me at Ted Bourque or Ted Chef Bourque or Chef Bourque on Facebook. I've got a cooking channel called Cajun Cooking on the Bayou, sir. Go find me, and then when you do, you're going to find about over 16 or 17,000 followers that just love to show off their Cajun cooking. Anyway, the Chef Bourque, put my wings on the grill. I'll talk with you later. Aieee, oh yeah, baby, hot dang. Man, oh yeah, I got a slitch, believe me. Don't forget to subscribe, and you got the thumbs up. Aieee, oh